The three areas ACE specializes in can offer a lot of value to our customers. First area is control system site audit. Second area is a control system network audit and the SCADA network audit. The third area is the ClearSCADA database audit. Let me draw this up for you. You got control system site audit, SCADA network audit. We got SCADA database audit. And we link this all together. It complete the picture for clients, control system and SCADA network. Control system site audit, network audit, and database audit. Now let's talk about the network audit. We will then first to explore with clients, operator, the end users, what have they observed the issue from the daily operation. If, for example, do they have observed the speed is really slow at a certain time of the day during the operation, or do they observe intermittent communication loss to various sites on the SCADA screen? We will then use our software tool to capture the data from a various part of the day, and then we analyze the data bit by bit with our talented engineer to be able to decipher the information behind the data. Our talented engineer be able to clearly identify what the problem would be as soon as they have gone through the data systematically. When it comes to SCADA audit, we then would talk to the clients, identify if the clients have any SCADA standards in place. For example, do they have a naming convention? Do they have a SCADA structure manual? Do they have a SCADA configuration how-to manual? Or do they have a SCADA graphic design manual? If they have those standards, we will gain access to those standards and then audit the system against those standards. If the clients don't have those standards, we can help the clients to build and create those standards first, get the clients review and approve those standards, and then we can audit their SCADA database against those standards. This is very important for us to put through our audit result, including the recommendation as well. In the first section, we would present the clients with a list of results from the site audit, network audit, SCADA database audits. That's be like when you go to the doctor, that's your diagnosis for your current system that you have. And then once we give out the diagnosis, we will then put through a prescription or recommendation in engineering terms. We will recommend, based on our experience, the problem that you got in this area, we recommend these solutions for you to consider to address the issue. For example, if we discovered in a SCADA network audit you have excessive data that's caused by the DNP3 configuration, it's not properly configured between the outstation and your DNP3 server, we will then recommend to have a look into the DNP3 poll schemes. How often do you poll the outstation? And then what's the data class have you set for your critical data between your DNP3 slave and the DNP3 master? And then we're also going to recommend you to look into unsolicited messages setting at the DNP3 station site as well, to see how often do you send unsolicited messages, and what sort of information requires unsolicited messages, and what information that you don't require to be sent as unsolicited messages. ACE is very experienced on the large SCADA system for many, many years. We're well conversed when it comes to DNP3. And with the SCADA database audit, again, our engineers has over 16 years individual experience on the ClearSCADA administration, maintenance, and project integration as well. So this enables our engineer to be able to pick up the error straight away, and we also have in-house tools for us to go through the ClearSCADA database really quickly with minimum errors to make as well. So those tools are developed in-house with the C#, VBA, and various coding software, which will enhance our efficiency when it comes to ClearSCADA audits and SCADA database audits as well. The benefits to the clients throughout this audit is very obvious. The most important benefit is to give them a snapshot of what their current asset status are, and that will give them a clear pathway for the future project planning, whether they're doing equipment updates or they want to do the SCADA upgrades, or they want to have a future project they want to integrate into their existing database, control system network, SCADA panel. So whatever they want to do, they have a 100% clear picture of what they got. So enable them, the decision-making process become faster and more accurate as well. The second area to benefit the clients is they will have our recommendation in our audit report. If they choose to address those issues before the next upgrade projects to resolve all the issues, and then they can do the upgrade on the clean slates. That means they're going to lower the number of variations, they're going to potentially avoid the schedule overrun, and they're also going to make their end users happy as well because everything is running smoothly. If you're interested about ACE audit process for your SCADA system, control system equipment, and SCADA network, feel free to contact us. Give us a call, drop us an email, and we'll be happy to understand your requirement and provide assistance accordingly. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time.